Namaste, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. My name is JVN Manisha Singh. Today I am teaching you pricing methods in subject food project planning and entrepreneurship. Discipline is food and biotechnology. Now let's start the topic. What is pricing? Pricing method or strategy is the route taken by a firm in fixing the price. The method or strategy must be appropriate for achieving the desired pricing objectives. Then pricing methods. First is cost-based pricing, and types of cost-based pricing is markup pricing, that is cost plus pricing. Then absorption cost pricing, that is a full cost pricing. Target rate of return pricing and marginal cost pricing. Then markup pricing. The selling price is fixed by adding markup or margin to its cost, usually used by the distributors, marketing firms, etc. Slower the turnaround of the product, larger the margin, and vice versa. That is an example our supply company. Then absorption cost pricing, mainly used by manufacturing firms. It uses standard costing techniques and it includes the fixed cost, variable cost, selling and administering cost, and advertisement cost. And it will all include to the profit. It is also known as full cost pricing. Then target rate of return pricing, similar to the absorption cost pricing. The difference is in fixing the profit margin. The profit margin or markup is fixed up considering the ROI. Firm will have return objectives like 5% of invested capital or 10% of sales revenue. Then you arrange your price structure so as to achieve these target rates of return. Market leaders or monopolists uses this pricing strategy. Then marginal cost pricing. It takes cost and demand into consideration while fixing the price. It aims at maximizing contribution towards fixed cost. It gives flexibility to recover the fixed cost depending on the market condition, and it also gives flexibility in recovering a large portion of cost from certain segment and a small portion from some other segment. This is a break-even concept in which this is between the cost and revenue and output. This is the fixed cost and the cost is variable and total cost, and this where it intersect, it is the break-even point. Then demand-based pricing. The pricing decision is also depending on demand and supply of the commodity, and it is more realistic. Types of cost-based pricing are: what are the traffic and bearing pricing and skimming pricing and penetration pricing. Demand based pricing is basically depends upon the if the demand is higher and supply is low, the product of the price of the product is very high, and if supply is higher and demand is high or low, then the product price is less. Then what the traffic can bear? The seller sets the maximum price the buyers are willing to pay in given circumstances, and it will bring a high profit during this period. Chance of error is in judgment are very high and can be used in the following conditions: shortage of the goods, monopoly, and oligopoly. Skimming pricing is the pricing. Initially, the products will be introduced in a high price and subsequently settle down for a lower price. Examples are the mobile phones, televisions, etc., and most of the electronic items. When the mobile phones are launched in the market, its price is quite high. And when the set becomes older and a few days after, the mobile phones becomes at sales at the lower prices. Then penetration pricing, initially introduced at the lower price and increases its price as its demands in the market increases, and good to capture new market, opposite of the skimming, and keep the product out of the competition for longer time. For example, DTH services, magazines, TV channels, etc. Then competition oriented pricing. It need not mean that pricing that commodity matching its competitors. It can also be following that is premium pricing, discounted pricing, and parity pricing, going rate pricing. Then product lineup pricing, that is the product is given product line are related to each other, and the manufacturing cost of these products also will not be much different. The need not price the product optimally, but it may price the product line optimally, and it is mainly intended to get optimum profit from the line. Example is Pulsar 150, 80, 200, and 220. Then tender pricing. Tender pricing is for the industrial products, and the customers go by competitive bidding through sealed tenders. The seller can only get the best possible price, and he should thoroughly analyze the competitors. Then affordability based pricing. It is for the essential commodities, and it is a social welfare pricing. The idea of the pricing is to make the product available to the target population at an affordable rate. Items usually distributed through public distribution system, and subsidies may be involved. For example, chick shampoo, Akash, and medicines, etc. Then differentiated pricing. Different price for the same product in different locations, that is SanDisk, cruiser blade, pen drive, petrol, etc. The price difference may also be made in case of customer class. And volume of the purchase, offers packs, Lux soap, Colgate value packs, etc. And the price of the bread. At the hill station, the price of the breads is higher than the plains because the cost of transportation is higher in the hilly areas. Hope you all are satisfied with this session. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in our comment box. I will resolve them whenever we have a live session. Thank you so much for watching this video.